In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a dashboard in Zoho Analytics. Dashboards are a great way to bring all your charts, reports, and key metrics together in one place. So let's get started. First, open your Zoho Analytics workspace. This is where all your data, reports, and tools are stored. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and click the Create button. From the drop-down, select New Dashboard. Alternatively, you can click Dashboards from the left or top menu and choose Create New Dashboard. Both methods take you to the same dashboard editor. Inside the dashboard editor, you will see an empty canvas where you can start adding your reports. On the left panel, choose from your existing charts, pivot tables, summary views, or tabular reports. Simply drag and drop the ones you want onto the dashboard. Once your widgets are placed, you can resize them, rearrange them, and customize each one to match your layout and style. Zoho Analytics also lets you add text, images, filters, and layout boxes, helping you create a clean and professional looking dashboard. As you build, think about the insights you want viewers to understand at a glance. Clarity is key. Preview your dashboard as you go to make sure everything is visually aligned and easy to read. When you're satisfied, click Save, give your dashboard a name, and it's ready to use. You can also share it with your team or set permissions depending on who needs access. And that's it. Your dashboard in Zoho Analytics is now ready to help you track metrics and make smarter, data-driven decisions.